Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to back up wallet on Coinbase Wallet App. Okay, once you are in the app, tap on this gear icon. Here go to Security. Go to the wallet which you want to back up. Here you have to copy to clipboard your seed phrase. Save it in a safe place and remember to not share it with anyone, as this is the direct access to your wallet. Confirm by tapping on Backup Manually button. And tap on Know I'm Safe. Tap on this box, and after that, on Complete Backup. And that's it. Now your wallet is backed up. By the way, if you want to trade on Hyperliquid with discount on fees, check link in the description. So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.